Hey, Facebook Live, what up? Happy Sunday. I missed you yesterday. I was at the Grove all day getting this new phone, a new computer set up, and I posted a read, so I want you to go and look at it. I'm going to go outside and get some fresh air and bring some beach love to you. And then I'll be back on, and I want you to join me, so keep the notifications on and come on later with some oh, there it is. What's going on? I can wait to you guys. Look at all these new buttons. I got a new phone and new Facebook. What happened? Who has their coffee? Let's just hang out for a minute before I hang up. You have your coffee. Let's say hi. Hi, Margie. Hi, Rita. Hey, girl. I'm waving at everybody. Watch this. Look. Anyway, I'm going to go to the beach, and I'll bring you some beach love, and I'll be back on. So, come back. I'll come back on the Valtopia Studios page. Okay. And if you're watching this and you haven't yet put your review on the Valtopia Studios page, do it now. All right, see you guys later. I'll see you in a couple hours. Actually, in about 15 minutes or 30 minutes from the beach. Bye.